Hi Stampers, it's Nancy from stampandshout.com. Welcome to my video. This week I am making a bunch of Halloween treats. So come back every day at 4 o'clock to my YouTube channel right here. And make sure you subscribe down below. There's a button. That way you won't miss any of my videos and you'll be notified. So today I'm going to share with you a treat holder for Lifesavers. And it's really cute. So you'll like this. You will like it. I hope you like it anyway. So I'm going to start off with a piece of cardstock that is 6 inches by 2 3/4. It's pumpkin pie. And I'm going to score it at 3/4, 3 1/2, and 3 3/4. And that's it. And then I also have a little scrap of white that's 1/2 inch by 2 3/4. Then I have a piece of designer series paper that is 2 5/8 by 1 3/4. And then I have a scrap of black. So let me tell you a little bit about this designer series paper. I have it here. As you can see, I've been making lots of stuff. So my scraps are on top. Let me get some of those out of the way. So this comes in a pack of 6 by 6 paper. There's 48 sheets, and I believe there's like 6 of each design. They're all double-sided, and it definitely is very, very cute Halloween paper. So hence the name, Cute Halloween. So I've been making a lot of cards. You can look back on my YouTube videos and see some of them. But like I said, right now I am doing some treat holders. So let's just burnish those score lines. This is such an easy treat holder to make that you can make lots of them. It's inexpensive, it doesn't use a lot of supplies, and it's just really, really cute when you get it done. Okay, so I'm going to take that piece of designer series paper and we're just going to glue that on. It's also good to use with your leftover scraps because it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't take a lot of big pieces. So I'm going to put this up near the top score line there. Straighten it up a little bit. Okay. Then I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to stamp Happy Halloween. So I'm going to do that in Gorgeous Grape. And I'm going to stamp Happy Halloween. There you go. And actually this Happy Halloween is from my older stamp set called Good Greetings. If you just, whatever sentiment you want to put there, trick or treat or whatever, that's fine. So I stamped that in the Gorgeous Grape. So I'm just going to glue that right on this bottom piece, right in the center. I'll show that to you close in a second. So it fits end to end, and there's just a little border at the top and the bottom. I think I forgot to tell you, this is going to be a Matchbook treat holder. So as you can see, it looks like a matchbook. All right, so now let's bring in our Lifesavers. So this is how they come. They're all pre-packaged, which I like to make treats that are already pre-packaged. Then I'm going to bring in my glue dots. And if you look at these, there's a seam, and I'm going to put, when I put these in, I want the seam to be on the bottom. I don't want it showing. So I'm going to take my glue dots. I'm going to push that Lifesaver all the way up to the top, and again I have the seam on the bottom, and I am going to put a glue dot on the front and on the back, and I'm going to put an extra one on the back up at the top. And I can go ahead and put this in. So I'm going to put this in right where that little score line is, just like that. And then the other one, same thing. Make sure that seam is on the bottom. Kind of push the Lifesaver up to the top. And we're going to put a glue dot on the bottom, a glue dot on the front of the bottom, And I'm going to put one more on the back just to hold it in place. And obviously use as many glue dots as you want. But on the back is okay, but on the front you only want one right at the bottom. Okay, so now I'm going to put this one right there. So push that down. And so the glue dots that we put on the front are going to hold this flap down like that. But wait, now I'm going to bring in my 1/2 inch punch. And I'm going to punch 2 black circles. Then I think I'll bring in my white watercolor pencil. Just put a little bit of a highlight on this eyeball, like that. And again, I'm going to bring in my glue dots. Put one on the back of that. And attach it right there. Another glue dot. Put it right there. So the way this works is just like that. But we're going to do a little bit more stamping on the inside, which is purely optional. So just see that little flap? Holds it closed, so you have some scary little eyes in there. So then I thought I would bring in my oval punch and punch a scalloped oval. And punch a smaller oval. Then I'm going to bring in some stamps from Banner Year. I'm going to use the bat and the word boo. So I'm going to ink up the bat first in Memento. I'm going to put him right up here on the top. Like that. Then I'm going to bring the gorgeous grape ink back in and stamp up the word boo. We'll let that dry for a second. I'm going to attach the 2 of these together. Cute, 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 cute. And then we're going to put this on the inside. So like I said, come back this week, 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I'll have some more little Halloween treat holders to show you. So let's look at this one. So really cute. Happy Halloween. Boo! Isn't that cute? I love it. Look, I made another one. Let me show you this other one I made. Same paper. That's that cute Halloween Designer Series paper. Also want to, oh, that cute. Look at that with the black. Scary. This one I didn't put the boo on. I'm going to have to go back and finish this because I want to give this to the neighborhood kids. I think that's really cute. So one more thing. Celebration ends this Thursday. So if you have a shopping list and you want to get some stuff, now would be the time, because Celebration, you get to choose another item out of the Celebration catalog if you spend $50. So if you got a shopping list and you're going to shop, you might as well get something free, and that ends Thursday. So if you have any other questions, please leave them below. Leave me comments. Please say hi. Don't be shy. Stamp and shout.